Do you hate trading courses that are on Google Docs, that are hidden in Discord channels, nearly illegible, or YouTube tutorials that don't teach real edge? Here's what a trend line looks like. Oh, thanks, dude. Yeah, now I'm a millionaire. That was so helpful. Let me answer that for you. I know you don't like them because I've made a lot of those things. I've seen the analytics. They don't do well, and they're not very helpful. Well, I've been working very hard over the last 3 months with my very small team at MBT, basically 3 of us working on this for the past 4 months, with some Discord members who have been beta testing it over that time period as we fine tune it. But we are finally releasing to the public the official Nobel Trading website, okay? That has our new MBT University. Now let me tell you, when I was first getting into trading, I wanted to go get my licenses, and I went to work for TD Ameritrade. I shadowed at different hedge funds, and with the end goal of becoming a better trader. I thought getting those licenses and those certifications would help me become a better trader. They don't. They're actually completely freaking useless. They teach you about the industry and the legalities of the industry, absolutely nothing about how to properly analyze a company or how to be a good trader. And so I wanted to make something, though, that was similar to those certification processes that were that in depth, because that learning process was a positive experience for me. Okay, AD Banker, learning the Series 65 or learning the Series 7, which, by the way, I'm a previous holder of these licenses, not now. I am not a financial advisor. Okay, do not work at an institution. I am a pajama trader wearing my only nice shirt to make this video to tell you about what I've been working on as an entrepreneur. But this course is set up similar to those. Okay, so when you go to our website, you're going to go to the member login and log in for free. Okay, you're actually going to verify with Discord. All right, so you're going to log in with your Discord. We use that as the verification tool that automatically creates your student registration to make that easy on you. You have this hub here, which has some announcements from the Discord, has some stuff on the Substacks and the weekly chart. We have also our weekly prep that we usually only give the pro members is on here as well, as long as some economic data, earnings calendar, some things that help you. But what we care about right now is a new course, a 5-module course, complete with different study tools, quizzes, final exams, not just to teach you what a trend line is, what's a candlestick look like, how to read candlesticks. No, I want to start with the ground up. What is the stock market? How does it function? What are market makers? What are dealers? How do they affect the market? What does insider trading look like? What are dark pools? Not just what is delta or gamma, or even more basal than that. What is a call option, a put option? No, I want to touch you what a spread is. I want to teach you how to read volatility. I want to go into third order Greeks, teach you about charm, teach you about reading gamma on a chart, what those mean and how that can help develop edge. And on top of that, I want to teach you my actual strategies, the things that I look for every single day that have helped me become a guy who sits at home in his only nice shirt making a video telling other people how to also be a complete net negative on society. But this is really exciting. I think you're gonna really love this. I said it before, this is all completely 100% free to you. All right, there's no catch. And when you actually enter into the courses, okay, there's a note sections that you can take notes while you work. There's also a comment section, okay? So if you leave a comment, we see it and we can respond. Now, I do want you to take note of the fact that the quickest way to get our attention is going to be through through the Discord, and we have a Discord link actually. Getting lost on the own website. We do have a link down here to join the Discord. It is free to join the Discord and just ask questions about the course. Now, all this is an advertisement for the paid portion of our business, where we do share our trades and shadow and work with people on a mentorship basis to help with the execution. But we have a policy at MBT that all education about this stuff should be completely free. And it shouldn't be gated, cost thousands of dollars to teach you stuff that's not even going to help you. It feels very scammy. It feels very bad. And it turns people off to the industry. And I want more people to be interested in not just trading, but also investing in the world of finance. I want you to have the passion that I have. And that starts with having a good experience about learning this stuff and learning it the right way from the ground up. So check it out. It's completely free. Head over to the website. I imagine there'll be some bugs. We're just now going live across all the socials. We don't even have any ratings on the course. So if you enjoy it, please leave a rating and let us know what you think. You can leave a reviews right here. Be the first one to leave a review. If you pass the course, we're going to email you a certification, an MBT certification, and we'll give you some sort of prize. We'll probably give you a massive discount off to the pro tier membership. Maybe I'll hand out some t-shirts and hoodies and stuff. Maybe some gift cards. So if you get it, tag me on X or on Facebook or wherever you're at on Instagram. And I'll retweet, give you a shout out, and then we'll set you up with a nice little prize in your completion of the course. We'll do that. Let's do it for the first 10 people that complete the course. So I hope you find it, first and foremost, actually helpful. And God bless.